Hey guys, I forgot to mention this tool here in one of my keyword research videos I done, and so I just wanted to show you what it was. It's kind of a funny name. I'll put the link to it under this video, around this video in the comments or somewhere, so where you can go to and check it out. But this tool is quite amazing actually, because it can pull keywords so fast and in so many different ways. And so what I mean is, over here in your input column, you're going to type in a basic keyword, a broad keyword, or you can even put in something that's not quite as broad. So let's just do, for example, let's say we are looking for lawnmowers. Okay, so we can type in buy lawnmower, and then if I go down here and click on advanced, it's going to open up a whole new section over here where I can choose where I want it to extract keywords from. So you can go in here if you're looking to rank something in Google, you want to choose Google. If you're looking for keywords people searching for in YouTube, do YouTube. Bing, eBay, Amazon, any of those. And what it's going to do is it's going to actually use the API that it's integrated with Google, YouTube, Bing, and all these. And it is going to extract the keywords as if you're starting to type them in the search box. And then you'll see a list of keywords drop down, and it takes those keywords and it adds them here in this box, and it'll search them over and over and over again. So what it does is it takes all these prefixes, and you can change these. You can put in here whatever you want, the same as the suffixes, and it's going to go through each one of them and attach it to your term that you put over here, or how many ever keywords you put in over here. So first it'll type in the letter A and then buy lawnmowers, and it's going to search for Google for that and pull back any keywords that starts with the letter A and then has buy lawnmower in it. And so then it's going to use the suffixes as well. And if you choose continuous running, what it's going to do is, once it collects these keywords, it's going to take the keywords and put them back in this box and research those keywords using the prefixes and suffixes as well. So it's kind of like a never-ending running machine. And the thing is, though, you got to watch it carefully, because it takes up a lot of memory, I guess, because it doesn't really stop if you hit continuous running. And so after it runs for so long, you want to check it and just make sure everything's running smoothly. Sometimes it'll stop running on me. It'll show that there's no more keywords, and after I hit stop, it'll show where it's collected like thousands of more keywords. So once you do that, you're just going to click start, and you're going to see where it takes that word and it adds a letter A, and through the whole alphabet it'll add the letters in front of it. Now sometimes you'll get this X that comes up, and I guess that means that it didn't find anything for it, or there was an error or something happened and it wasn't able to collect any keywords for that. But it's going to go through this entire list, and you can see where it's already taken some of the keywords it's found and it's put back in here. And so down here we have like 150 so far, and what you can do, you can choose column visibility and you can choose words. And what that's going to do is show you how many words is in each keyword term, which is great for picking out long tail term keywords for your video campaigns. And you can sort by clicking this little arrow. Okay, there it goes. And so we can see we're already finding keywords that are up to 8 words in length. Best place to buy lawnmower near me. Buy here, pay here, lawnmower near me. So you can see a lot of these near me, which are really popular. Where can I buy a riding lawnmower with bad credit? Look at that, 11 words. And so what you can do is just throw your term up here, leave all this the same, or if you know for sure what you're doing and you know what terms you really want to put as prefixes and suffixes, you can change this. Otherwise, just leave it the way it is, because it pulls back some really crazy terms. I've had them up to 15, 16 words long being put in here. And once you're done, you can just click stop. And if you choose export, you can either copy the list, send them to a CSV file, copy just the keywords. If you click copy, it copies all the data. So if you just want the keywords, you just click copy keywords, or you can click copy visible columns, just the ones you have shown. Alright guys, just as I thought I was done with this video, I decided to do some keyword research to see if I could find maybe a quick demo of how to go out and find products and be able to promote them, and how well the results are with some of the stuff, as long as you look for those long tail keywords. And I did find one. So what I do is I like to go out and look for things that I can sell that are upcoming soon, such as holidays. So for this example, Halloween is less than a month away. So the biggest seller for Halloween, costumes. So I went to Amazon and done a search for Halloween costume. And I looked through here, and I'm not too much into costumes or any of that stuff, so none of these names sounded familiar to me. And it probably doesn't to most people, which would make them great targets. It's a really, really deep niche that you can get into with so many products, so many brand names and companies that you can really just dominate this industry, and especially this time of the year, and make a killing from people not just buying these costumes, but whatever else they buy along with this order. And so what I was doing, I was researching down through here, and I seen this brand here called California Costumes on these two, and they look pretty nice, and they got a lot of reviews on them. And so I took it up and I done a search for it. You can see here I put in my search term. I let it run for just a little bit to 316. I stopped it and I done just one search is all I done. I took there's a fire breathing dragon. It was this one here. It was just the California Costumes fire breathing dragon costume. So this is a new one. I didn't see this one that had toddler in it. And what I done, I went to Google. I done a search for it, California Costumes Fire Breathing Dragon. And you can see there's a bunch listed here. There's some listed here. And right under that are some videos. And I went through these videos looking. And this middle one here, guys, I'm sorry if this is one of your videos. I do apologize. If it is, you've done a very good job with it. But I went to this video. Let's go ahead and click on it. And it's only about 1 minute and 11 seconds, which is usually where I make my videos. And you can see here, it's got audio with it. It's got some pictures. I'm not going to let the whole thing play for a minute. But anyway, it has buy it on Amazon today. And then underneath, they have, oh, they don't even have nothing under this one. So they don't have their affiliate link or nothing under this video, which is kind of funny. This one here does. If we go under it, you can see they have their link here and some information about it. It's got 159 views just on this one video for this one product. So imagine if you made a variety of them. And so anyway, when I went back here, I clicked on the Private Halloween, their YouTube channel, and here are a lot of videos. And so you click on uploads, and guess what? Look at all these videos they have. And not only that, but look at the views that some of them has. 108, 171, 123, 155. And these have only been up there less than a year, and look at all these views they're getting, and you know they're making sales because they're sending people to Amazon. And so this was just a quick example to give you guys, to show you how easy it is to find products to sell and promote on Amazon, and using the videos to do it. So just go to Amazon, do some research, and dig deep into the products, and try to find products that are selling. You know, I've done this one for Halloween. After Halloween, there's Thanksgiving. Look up stuff for Thanksgiving. Then there's Christmas, another big holiday. You know, then you got Valentine's Day, Easter. All these holidays, they have big sellers, and you find those big sellers, promote them, and get involved and get some of this affiliate commission for yourself. So I hope this helps you guys out. You know, and just goes to show you that these videos do work and they do rank, and for products that do sell. So go for it, guys. Get moving and get you some commissions.